Hello traders, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be looking at the Gold Phantom EA for MT5, and the seller calls it a professional safety focused system built specifically for XAUUSD. No martingale, no greed, just smart trend trading with proper risk controls. Sounds good for gold traders, right? But I put it through my own backtest, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly what it really delivers, so ensure you watch till the end. And before we dive into today's EA, the Gold Phantom, we have a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in, which you can use in your trades, and it's for free, totally free. You can find it using the link in the description below, so ensure you check it out. It's actually worth it. And without wasting much of your time, let's get started on the Gold Phantom EA. Fernando, who is the developer of this Gold Phantom EA, markets it as, or presents it as, a system that uses a sophisticated confluence of multiple technical indicators, price action analysis, and adaptive filters. Also, it uses all of this to spot high probability setups on gold. It's designed to identify trends and breakouts while staying away from choppy conditions or ranging markets. And the core is a linear regression trend filter that helps it align with the dominant trend. And there is also a range filter based on ATR, average true range, to avoid low opportunity markets, plus market structure analysis for extra confirmation. Entries are precise according to what he says. Entries always have a stop loss, and he uses dynamic take profit and stop loss. They emphasize that it's built with safety and reliability in mind. It works on all account types and doesn't promise miracles, just consistent risk aware performance on the 1 hour time frame. It is actually designed for the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, and it works on all account types. Like I said, there are backtests which they have here. This is exactly how it looks when you load it on your chart, and their backtest shows a nice steady equity curve, 1.74 profit factor, controlled drawdown around 17%, and it looks disciplined on paper. You can see this is their settings. All of these are adjustable, of course, and that's all from the developer, Mr. Fernando. And they highlight some features and settings which you should also look out for. We have the key features of the Gold Phantom. They highlight flexible risk management. You can use fixed lots, monetary, or percentage of balance. TP and SL can be set in pips, percent, or dollars. There is the linear regression filter with customizable candles and ATR settings, volume filter, news filter, and advanced position management with trailing, stop, and break even. They even provide preset files in the discussion section, and all of this is marketed as making it suitable for both new and experienced gold traders. So that's it from the developer. I had the opportunity to backtest this expert advisor on my own, and I ran it myself using the every tick real ticks modeling from April 2025 to April 2026, and on a 10k USD account with 0.01 fixed lot. And the equity curve it started a bit flat, then it climbs nicely during strong trading periods, and as we know it, gold has been trending over the past year, so it started climbing nicely during those strong trading periods. And you can see those step like moves upwards, and it looks very realistic, and it just keeps on climbing like in a step, and it makes money overall, ending around 1,000 plus dollars in profits and about 11% gain. And this is what it looks like. Over $1,100 in profits and 11% gain. And profit factor came in at 1.35. Max equity drawdown was at 8.4%. And we had about 335 trades in total. Win rate is around only 30%. But still, even with that win rate, we have this nice equity curve. So I'll say the EA tried on its own. Compared this, my backtest, to the developers' results, and their curve looks smoother, the numbers stronger, probably because of different period optimization. And the thing is, this EA really shines in stronger trending gold markets. Those explosive breakouts are where it prints money, but in ranging or choppy conditions, it gets chopped up and holds losers for days, hoping for a reversal. You can see holding losers, and when we get the reversal, we could have our break-even trades right here. You can see that, and even holding winners for days also. This was a buy trade and we didn't take profit anywhere here, and all of this can still be set if you set your take profit based on the percent or based on the dollars. All of these are in the input session, which you can set. And he held on to this trade up until we had this break even, and he just loves to hold on to trades. You can see it, see some of the trades it's taking here. Have this buy here, and it trended up, and when we had the dip, it just took break even. So it's quite safe when it comes to taking break evens or cutting out losses or trades that have already run in your favor. Tries to cut them out. We have this buy here, a push to the upside, then we have this dip here, and it cuts it out entirely to avoid entering into a losing position. We have this sell trade, we ended up in a profit. Several others opened and closed at the same time. Yeah, I'd say it does follow the trend. It works well in a trending market. It does work well in a trending market, but you have to fix your take profit and stop loss levels, and it does a good job in entering the break-even order when the trade starts to move against you, as you can see on the chart. And honestly, it's very spread sensitive. You need a raw spread ECN broker, or the small losses will eat into your edge. The trailing stop and break-even settings help. They really do help, but one or two big losing trades can still wipe out months of gains. And you can see that with the graph. You can see all this step-like movement. We have some trades running deep into losses. We kind of spent some couple weeks in losses, where we have this long fall in the graph. Then we started going back up, have another consolidation period, go back up. So it's just like a step movement, and you know what that means, that one or two big losing streaks can still wipe out months of gains. So I would advise you set up your trailing stop and break even settings so that it can help you. Yeah, and news filter is on, which is good, but live slippage and gaps can also still hurt. My verdict for this expert advisor is that the Gold Phantom is a genuine trend following EA, as you've seen, with proper risk tools, no dangerous stuff hidden, but it's not the super low drawdown robot the marketing might make you expect. In live trading, you should prepare for 20 to 40% drawdowns during normal gold volatility. And this one is actually for experienced traders who love gold, have a good ECN broker and VPS, and can stomach the roller coaster without panicking. If you hate big losing streaks or trade on standard spread, you should probably avoid this expert advisor. And if you've enjoyed this video, I would like you to like the video if this real test really helped you make sense of what the Gold Phantom EA is. Subscribe and turn on the notifications so you catch the next review. We are dropping reviews like this every week, so drop in the comments which EA you want me to test next, and grab that free robot from the description. It's actually useful. Talk soon and trade safe. Thank you very much.